This golden apple reflects the faces of all of the students that you've affected during your wonderful career in public education, and we hope it lasts for many more years. Congratulations, you now are in the Teachers Hall of Fame. You are an ExCEL Award winner.
Thank you. The butterflies I get each August are even greater now that I'm a mother. I truly believe that being a mother has helped me become a better teacher. My students, too, are someone's prized possession. I have high expectations for them, just as I would hope someone would do for my own. I also have high expectations for myself. But expectations alone do not affect achievement. We push and support each other to be the best students, friends, sons, daughters, and to keep going when things get hard.